1,700. That is the number of millionaires created every single day in America, according to Fortune magazine, with more than 4,000 around the world. And by the way, that means that since you clicked on this video, another millionaire just got made. So yes, the rumors are true. There is no longer a need to come from a long line of money or to get lucky or even to become successful in only the traditional ways anymore. With statistics like this, it means any average Joe sitting next to us on the bus could be the next millionaire, or it could be a neighbor or a work colleague or even a family member. Now, I get it. If someone had told me back in 2008 when I was a broke, in debt, injured jazz piano player that I would be where I am today, having made $50 million on the internet, I would probably have thought they were making fun of me. But there's nothing funny about having the means to make a life for yourself exactly the way you want, especially when now it is so accessible to the average person. Now, I don't usually use that term, the average person, but in this case, it is exactly the right term to use, and the word average is actually a good thing, because for once, the tables have turned, the earth has shifted, and a door is wide open to anyone, even average people, who's willing to walk through it. All anyone needs now is the exact steps to make it happen, which is why I'm here today on this video. I'm sharing the secret to my success and how so many of those 1,700 daily millionaires are created with everyone for free in a brand new book I just wrote called The Millionaire Shortcut. There's no catch, no credit card, no shipping costs, no strings attached, but there is one condition. I can't give away this book free forever, so the time to take action is right now. Just click the link somewhere around this video, probably below, and I will send a copy of this book directly to your inbox so you can download it instantly. And get this book is less than 10 pages long. It's tiny, which proves just how simple and straightforward it is to learn how average people are becoming millionaires in today's economy. So that said, again, click the link or the button that's somewhere around this video, just submit your information, and I will send you an email with your free copy of The Millionaire Shortcut right away.